When you join or are a member of a KiwiSaver scheme, you may be asked to confirm your prescribed investor rate, also called a PIR. But what is a PIR? Before you know your PIRs, you need to know your PIEs or PIs. A PI, Portfolio Investment Entity, is a pooled investment fund which has special tax rules. Most KiwiSaver schemes are PIs. The PIR is the rate of tax you pay on income from your investments in a PI such as KiwiSaver. Your KiwiSaver provider makes the appropriate tax payments on your behalf from your KiwiSaver account to Inland Revenue according to your PIR. So you don't need to file a tax return for your KiwiSaver interests unless you've been paying an incorrect rate. Currently, there are 3 rates that apply to KiwiSaver members: 10.5%, 17.5% and 28%. The rate that applies to you will depend on your taxable income plus the income or loss from PIs in each of the previous 2 income years. If you do not provide a PIR to your KiwiSaver provider, your provider will apply the maximum rate of 28%. If you pay too much, you can't claim the tax back. But if you pay too little, you may have to pay the extra tax to Inland Revenue, and possibly penalties as well. So it is important you let your provider know the correct PIR for your investment income. The key thing to look at is the taxable income you earned in each of the previous 2 years. This includes your wages, bonuses, and other payments from employment, plus government benefits, rental income, allowances, and any other sources of income that would be included in an income tax return. Next, you need to add your PI income, the value of the income from all of your PI investments, such as the returns on your KiwiSaver account, but not the balance itself, from each of the last 2 years. The total of these is your combined income for the purposes of working out your PIR. Unless you have a substantial amount of savings in PI accounts, it is likely that your taxable income alone will be a good indication of your PIR. It is important to note that if each of your last 2 income years gives you a different PIR, then the lower PIR will apply. If you are an existing KiwiSaver member, your KiwiSaver provider can advise you of the PIR they have registered for you. Your KiwiSaver provider should ask you to confirm your PIR on an annual basis. This is a good opportunity to review your PIR. It is your responsibility to keep your KiwiSaver provider informed of your correct PIR, to ensure that you are paying the right amount of tax on your investment income and avoid the consequences of having the wrong rate.